everyone. Today we are going to discuss about big data analytics. So, what is big data? Big data analytics describes the process of uncovering trends, patterns and correlations in large amounts of raw data to help metadata inform decisions. Next topic, types of digital data. There are three types of digital data: structured, semi-structured and unstructured data. First one, semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is not bound by any rigid schema for data storage and handling. The data is not in the relational format and is not neatly organized into rows and columns like that in a spreadsheet. However, there are some of features like key value pairs that help in discerning the different entities from each other. Since semi-structured data does not need a structured query language, it is commonly called NoSQL data. Next one, unstructured data. It is the kind of data that does not adhere any definite schema or set of rules. Its arrangement is unplanned, like photos, videos, text documents and log files. Can be generally considered an unstructured data even though the metadata accompanying an image or a video may be semi-structured. The actual data being dealt with unstructured data. Next topic, characteristics of a big data. Big data can be described by the following characters. There are four types: volume, variety, velocity and variability. First one, volume. The name of big data itself related to a size which is enormous. Size of data plays a very crucial role in determining value out of data. Also, whether a particular data can actually considered as a big data or not is dependent upon the volume of data. Hence, volume is one characteristic which needs to be considered while dealing with big data solutions. Next one, variety. The variety refers to heterogeneous source and the nature of data, both structured and unstructured. During earlier days, spreadsheet and database were the only source of data considered by the most of the applications. Nowadays, data in the form of emails, photos, videos and monitoring devices are also being considered in the analysis applications. Velocity. The term velocity refers to the speed of generation of data. How fast the data is generated and processed to meet the demands determines and real potential in the data. Big data velocity deals with the speed at which data flows in the from source like business process, application logs, networks and social media sites, sensors and mobile devices. The flow of data is massive and continuous. Next one, variability. This refers to the inconsistency which can be shown by the data at times, thus hampering the process of being able to handle and manage the data effectively. NoSQL, referred not only SQL, represents a completely different framework of database that allows for high performance processing information at massive scale. In other words, it is a database infrastructure that has been very well adapted to the heavy demands of big data. Next, advantages of NoSQL. There are many advantages of working with NoSQL database such as Cassandra and MongoDB. The main advantages are high scalability and high availability. First one, high scalability. NoSQL database are sharding for horizontal scaling, partitioning of data and placing it on multiple machines such way that the order of the data is preserved is sharding. Vertical scaling means adding more resources to the existing machine, whereas horizontal scaling means adding more machines to handle the data. Next one, high availability. Auto replication feature in NoSQL database make it highly available because in case of any failure, data replicates itself to the previous consistent state. Next one, disadvantages of NoSQL. First one, narrow focus. NoSQL database have a very narrow focus as it mainly designed for storage, but it provides very little functionality. Next, open source. NoSQL is an open source database and there is no reliable standard for NoSQL yet. In other words, two database systems are likely to be unequal. Management challenge. The purpose of big data tools is to make the management of a large amount of data as simple possible, but it is not too easy. Thank you.